Hello, Jasmine with WTI. Recently, I joined the Brace Face Club again. So, naturally, I needed a water flosser ASAP. I came across YOOY and they totally hooked me up. I love this water flosser. It's easy to use. It has 3 simple settings and it definitely cuts down on time for me flossing in the morning and cleaning my mouth after I've eaten a meal in between all my orthodontic care. So, let me show you some of the awesome features of this water flosser.
It has a nice sized water vessel. Simply fill it up, snap the latch closed, and choose your setting. There are 3 powerful settings to choose from. There's soft, pulse, and normal. I prefer the pulse setting. It comes with 5 different jet tips, so you can customize it to your needs. They're easy to remove and install with just a simple push of a button. To charge the flosser, just plug it into any USB power source. It has a long-lasting charge. I've been using mine right out of the box twice a day, sometimes more, for 3 weeks now on that initial charge.
If you want to cut down on your flossing time, especially if you have orthodontic care, then check out YOOY's water flosser. It's easy to use, gets in all those hard-to-reach places, and it keeps your grill looking so fresh and so clean. Your dentist and your orthodontist will thank you. But that's just my point of view.